What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of my top 5 fitted hats of the week. And this week was there was an error because I have 6 hats in front of me and I need you guys to make the final decision for me which hat will not be in my top 5. Okay, so it will be something like that. I want to know from you in the comments which one of these 2 hats would you choose, and I will make then my final statement tomorrow in the stream. Sounds good? Let's go into this, but before we start, I would like to ask you, if you're watching this channel and you like it, hit the subscribe button. It's totally free and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet. We are releasing every week new videos, a lot of updates, and you will get always informed regarding the newest trends on our releases. And if you like the video by the end of the video, okay, please also hit the like button. This will help the channel a lot. And also I would like to know from you guys, as I already said, help me with my final decision. Okay, it's about the 4th place this week, but let's start with the 5th place. Burned Ice, and this beauty came out really good. You have this oceanside blue. I would call it like a sneaky two-tone with the black and the blue. And then you have this Atlanta Braves logo in the front. And look, this icy fire looks absolutely amazing. World Series 95. Welcome to the show side patch. You cannot go wrong with this. And on the back you have another icy Atlanta Braves logo. Gray UV, black guts. Absolute beauty of a hat. My 5th place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. So now we have to make a decision, guys, because my 4th place was like, I couldn't decide. I don't want to put one of these hats out of my top 5, so I have these 2 hats here and I need your help. Which should be my 4th place this week? The first option is the Buffalo Sabres, and this thing came out so good. I absolutely love the Buffalo Sabres logos. They are amazing, and look at this fantastic embroidery. We got this rifle green crown, and then we got this gold. This pops off so good. 50th anniversary side patch, NHL shield on the back, and to make it even more special, we got this woodland camo UV below it. So this is the first option, okay, guys? Second option, I'm a little bit biased because you guys know I'm a Red Wings fan, but this super shiny Red Wings with the 2 different reds, and you can already see how crazy this looks. So if you have this hat in hand, I mean, come on, you will go crazy because it looks so good. And then you got the farewell season to the show, and you also got this two different reds, metallic red, NHL shield on the back. So let me know in the comment which of these 2 hats should be my 4th place, the Buffalo Sabres or the Detroit Red Wings. Okay, let's discuss this tomorrow in the stream. Let's go ahead with my 3rd place this week, and oh yeah, that's really crazy. I mean, come on. I knew that I wanted to do something like that with that logo. And when the shark comes in the night, when he's hunting for you in the night, this could look like this, all black. And then we got this large liquid titanium shark's teeth logo in the front. 30th anniversary side patch. And you can already see this thing is sparkling, as well as also this beautiful NHL shield on the back. But at the end of the day, I mean, this pops off really good, but it's still a clean hat. Gray UV, black guts, my 3rd place this week. So my 2nd place, and we are continuing with NHL, but I can already spoil you, my 1st place is not an NHL hat, okay? So this thing is so sick. Gray UV, all black, and grape UV, all black, and then you have this grape button on the front and the blacked out golden mask. Oh my god, oh my god, I was so shocked when I opened up the box when I got it to the warehouse. It's amazing. The 25th anniversary side patch grape, gold, metallic silver. Everything goes so well together, and this looks really, really different. Look at the eyes of the mask. Oh my god, those details are so sharp. And we also made a special NHL shield on the back. Also here, black, grape, and then you got the NHL in gold. And this UV is killing it. This is my second place this week. And now, we did some NFL hats with the kickoff logos. They are new, and oh my god, this beauty came out so great. And this is such a classic hat, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Kelly Green UV, white guts, to a true legend of the Oakland Raiders, who had his first season, 98, and you guys know who I am talking about, and it cannot get more classic like this. We got the metallic aluminum outline, and then you got this Raiders script, Oakland Raiders, raised in the front, and look how fantastic this side patch looks. It's such a clean side patch. It's a large one, fantastically embroidered, and then you also got the vintage NFL shield on the back. This hat is absolutely amazing, and that's the reason why it's my first place this week. Let me know in the comments below, do you agree with my selection, or did you have a different selection? And please also let me know, if you have time, your top 3 hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. This was another crazy week, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow live in the stream, because we have a huge drop tomorrow. I have not shown it off so far, so maybe there will be a teaser or something like that. I don't know, but you should tune in and don't miss out on the hats that we are dropping tomorrow. Super nice minor leagues, plus there is going to be a surprise drop as always. I would like to thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you again tomorrow or next week on my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm out. Bye.